Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at solo creator type technology or accessories, especially if you're on your own doing content creation for your business or if you do stuff on YouTube. This CES, I'm already starting, even though it's a couple months away, I'm already starting to get my gear. What am I going to be taking in my bag? And I was really happy when Craft Geek reached out and said, hey, would you like to check out our products? Because they line up perfectly with what I'm going to take with me to CES. When I go to CES, I look for products that are lightweight. I look for products that are convenient and that are fast. I'm walking through a hall, thousands of people, thousands of vendors, and I need to be able to set up, record, and go very quickly. We engage with a lot of vendors also that have paid reviews that they're looking for us to cover their booth. So coming in, having a professional approach and having something that works the very first time is really important. Now we're taking a look at this product from Craft Geek, and this is the Just Tap tripod, right? And what's so impressive about this is the setup. So typically when I'm going to go ahead and stop and take a video, I have to do something like this, which is normal, right? You expand it, you set yourself up. I like the fact that this right here has a MagSafe adapter. So I can go ahead and put something here, my phone. And let's face it, a lot of us are now using your phone. I actually use two devices. I either have a Samsung phone, an iPhone, and then I also have with me my DJI mic or my DJI camera that I use, right? But for my iPhone or for my Samsung phone, whichever one I'm recording with, having this MagSafe, solid, solid, solid. And it's just fast. So this is really quick to deploy. But what's a pain is getting this thing out, like setting it up and doing it. Now watch this, guys. All you do is that. That almost knocked me out. You saw that? Ain't that crazy? All you have to do is tap, right? All you do is tap. As soon as it comes down and it taps like this, let's see, up, it opens up just like that. Now, all you have to do is tap right here on any surface and the tripod opens. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here on the top so you can see how this is gonna work. So all I'm going to do is you'll see it right here as it opens. Boom. It just opens. This is fast. So if I'm extending it, putting it down, I could do my recording. I can run and gun and then just go on to the next one. Now, in addition to having the ability to open up so quickly and set stuff up, it does have a Bluetooth remote here. So if you want to start, stop, especially if you're going to be doing this on your own, we talked about the MagSafe function right here. So you can see how this goes forward and back. And it also tilts. So it has, like, if you want to use this as a selfie, which I have, you can actually use this as a selfie. So let me go ahead and put this right here so you can have it. And you could use this as a selfie stick. And this is going to come out pretty long, right? The height, let me show you this thing. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the floor because I can. And it's open. And it is, look at that, over 60 inches, I believe. So this is pretty tall. This is pretty tall. So this is going to give me great opportunity to record. And when we're in actually these sessions where we're doing these media reviews and everyone is sitting down and no one wants anyone standing up, this will be really easy for me to put it down, get my camera up there, and then when I'm done, collapse it, bring it down just like this. Notice how it just goes in, locks up just like this, and push it in all the way. And then all I have to do is just slide this thing up, and I'm on to my next recording, which is going to be fantastic. The adapter that we have right here, this actually remote is actually a Bluetooth remote, right? So it removes and it pairs with your phone, and all you have to do is, hit it to make it go. So that is a really nice function, and I like the flexibility you have there. Now, something else that I think is super cool is this. This right here is a phone grip. This one is called the Craft Geek Power Shutter. Power Shutter. Cool thing about this is that it gives you the ability to hold your phone as if it was a camera. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to grab my Samsung Galaxy Fold. And now, if I want to do vertical shots, this is what I'm talking about. Also, you'll notice that it lit up. It is a battery charger. So it is charging my phone at the same time that's recording. Now check this out. Boom. What? Now I have a giant screen when I'm doing my recording on my Galaxy Fold. Now, if I have my iPhone, I could do the same thing, right? And I could just use it as that, or I could use it like this, right? And it does have a shutter button here where I can use for start and stop, but it doesn't end there. So check this overhead look now too. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this adapter that I have on there. Now it's sitting up and it's going to work as a wireless charger. It's doing fast wireless charging, and I can now use this as a phone stand. The cool thing about this is that not only is it charging my phone, but if this was powered, with a USB-C cable, it serves as a pass-through. So it's going to charge the battery and charge my phone. Love it. So this is dual purpose. Now, in addition to charging your phone, the back part right here connects to this. So now I have this as an add-on, right? And when I'm done, let's say recording, just take it and go, right? And then I just come back here and it's part of the solution. In addition to the actual shutter button here that you can use for starting and stopping recording, you notice at the very bottom, it does have a physical adapter mount so that you can use the screw-in type adapter or mounts if that's something you want to do. It does have a separator here, rubberized separator that gives you some space so that it deals with overheating really well, because as you're recording a lot, phones can tend to get hot. So you won't have that much of a problem because of how it's raising it. And there's a gap right there. So when you put your phone, there's a nice gap in place. Let's see if I can have this phone. I can use this phone right here. I can put this phone right here, and then you'll notice how there is a gap there that really gives you that space to try to keep things cool. But I love the fact that it is actually a stand. I've used this a lot. I'm surprised because I typically have a lot of these and I tend not to use them except when I'm going to go on a show. And I find that I'm using this more and more because it's doing double duty. I can just I take my phone, I put it on my desk. This is plugged in, it's charging my phone, and it just works. So guys, solid buys. Craft Geek, absolutely. And then the Just Tap, absolutely too. See you in the next video.